Adding refrigeration to your commercial kitchen is easier than ever thanks to Centaur's 30.5-inch one-section reach-in refrigerator. Offering 25 cubic feet of cold storage with a minimal footprint, this unit works well in small kitchens with limited space. This unit is built from white aluminum inside and out for durability, easy cleaning, and improved product visibility. Inside the refrigerator's cabinet, R134A refrigerant and CFC-free polyurethane insulation maintain a temperature range of 33 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Internal temperature can be monitored at a glance with the unit's digital LED display. This refrigerator's self-closing door helps retain cold air within the cabinet and ensures the door won't be left open by accident. A bottom-mounted condensing unit operates in the coolest part of the kitchen and makes it possible for the unit to be placed against a wall without requiring any clearance. To accommodate products in a variety of sizes, 3 heavy-duty epoxy-coated wire shelves are included and can be adjusted as needed. Additional features include a door lock to ensure valuable products can be secured when necessary, and 4 5.5-inch casters for mobility and easy cleaning beneath the unit. To add Centaur's efficient and reliable refrigeration to your kitchen, visit us online at KaTom.com or call our customer care team at 1-800-541-8683 today.